In this video, we'll be exploring the impressive new AI-powered features recently added to a very familiar program, Microsoft Paint. While Paint has not traditionally been known for professional-grade photo editing, Microsoft has introduced a groundbreaking update. The new Generative Erase tool, in particular, elevates the application to a new level, offering powerful editing capabilities for free. In the top right corner, you will find the Copilot menu. Click on it and select the Generative Erase option. Adjust the brush to your desired size, and then simply highlight the object or person you wish to remove from the photo. Once you have made your selection, click the Apply button. The AI will process the image for a few moments, and the result is a seamless removal of the object. The quality of the final image is truly remarkable, far exceeding the capabilities previously expected from the classic Paint application. Next, let's explore the other incredibly useful feature. For this, we will open a portrait photo where the goal is to remove the background for further editing or to isolate the main subject. Similar to the previous step, navigate to the Copilot menu in the top right corner, but this time, select the Remove Background option. The remarkable part is that no manual selection is required. Copilot automatically detects the main subject of the photo and executes a precise background removal. Having a professional-grade feature like this available for free within Paint is a significant advancement for the program. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more tech tips, please support the channel by liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching.